Take a ride in the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.